Hello, today we are going to look at adding content to make it easier for students when they first log into the course. So we're going to begin by going up to content and we're going to scroll down and we're going to add a module. And this module is going to be called Start Here. And we're going to name it Start Here in all caps with an exclamation point so it really stands out among the other modules. So we're going to name it Start Here, exclamation point, then hit enter. And there is our Start Here module. So we're going to click and drag that Start Here module to the top of the list. So it's at the beginning of the table of contents. Then we're going to click on New and create a file. So this file is going to be called Getting Started. So we're going to enter the title as Getting Started. And then I am going to put in the content some really important information. So in the content now, I'm just going to put a list for you of all the important information that I always include in my Getting Started file for my students. So there's a list of the information that I always include. So I would type all of that in here to the content. And then when I'm done, I would go down and click on Save and Close. And now I have a Getting Started page within my Start Here module. So just to check, if we go back to the Start Here module in the table of contents, we will see the Getting Started page that I just created. And there you go. That's how you can make it easier for your students when they first log into your course.